In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and go to your workspace. This is the main area where all of your boards, projects, and team information are organized, so make sure you're in the correct workspace before creating anything new. Taking a moment to confirm this now can help you avoid having to move things around later. Once you're in the workspace, look for the Add or New button. Depending on your layout or account view, the wording may vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. This is where you begin creating something new. Click that button to open the creation options. From the menu that appears, select New Board. A board in Monday.com is the central place where you'll manage a project, track tasks, or organize a workflow. So this is an important first setup step. Choosing the right board structure from the beginning will make the rest of your work much easier. Next, choose whether the board should be main, private, or shareable. A main board is visible to everyone on your team who has access to the workspace, which is useful for general collaboration. A private board is limited to specific people, making it a better option for sensitive projects or internal planning. A shareable board is designed for working with outside guests, such as clients or contractors. Pick the option that best matches who needs access. After that, enter the board name. Choose a clear and specific name so it's easy to identify later. A good board name helps everyone immediately understand the board's purpose, especially if your workspace contains multiple projects. You'll then have the option to choose a template or start from scratch. Templates can save time because they come with a ready-made structure for common workflows. If you already know exactly how you want to organize your board, starting from scratch gives you complete flexibility. Neither choice is wrong, so go with the one that fits your needs and experience level. Once you've made your selection, create the board. After the board opens, you can begin adding columns, groups, and items. Columns help define the type of information you want to track. Groups let you organize work into sections, and items are the individual tasks, entries, or records inside the board. As you build, keep your layout simple and practical so it stays easy to manage over time. That's it. You've successfully created a new board in Monday.com and set the foundation for a more organized workflow.